Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mackenzie Barup. So today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of all my Christmas decorations. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the full house because this is just my area and this is all my Christmas decorations. But if you want to see the insanity that is the entire house, let me know.
Christmas only happens once a year. So tell me, what's it gonna take to make you cheerful, my dear? Don't you believe? Can't you see? Love's the only present that we really need. I can do the can legs up like a rocket. If you can't light up like the tree, yeah. I'll hang the mistletoe, make you all aglow. If you can't get sugar plums into your head, if your heart's so cold, you can make a snowman. I can melt the freeze. Just tell me you believe in the big guy with the red suit and the reindeer and the sleigh too. Sing fa la 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 la. Whatever jingles your bells, don't keep it to yourself. I got what you need. Oh, whatever jingles your bells, I got the sugar to help. We could get so wrapped up. Oh, whatever jingles your peppermint hot chocolate up all night. Give me that wish list, checking it twice. I'll make your dreams come true. A gift from me to you. And the big guy with the red suit and the reindeer and the sleigh too. Sing fa la 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 la. Whatever jingles your bells, don't keep it to yourself. I got what you need. Oh, whatever jingles your bells, I got the sugar to help. We could get so wrapped up. Oh, whatever decks your halls, baby, I'll try it all. Whatever tops your tree, I'd do anything for it to be me. Whatever jingles your bells,